Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Lilliput in Montego Bay and we're giving you an update on the construction of the Unico Hotel. Now this is a massive hotel project, and if you think this project is large, wait until they start building the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino beside it. This hotel we're looking at, the Unico, is 451 rooms. The Hard Rock is going to be over 1,000 rooms. And it's going to have a casino in it. This hotel we're looking at, it cost 250 million to build. The Hard Rock is going to be 800 million to build. And I must say, this development, it's going up quickly. I'm very impressed with how quickly this development is being done. Now, they have on their website that this development should be finished in 2025. Not sure about that, but we'll keep you guys updated. Now, there is this entire area, the Lilliput area, it's part of the Elegant Corridor. And that is where you find some massive hotels in Jamaica. So to the right of this development is where they're going to be building the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. They haven't started yet. And then beside the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is 3 Iberostar hotels. And then to the left of this hotel, they are going to be building the Moon Palace Hotel, which is also over 1,000 rooms. So this little area is seeing a lot of investment. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on what's happening here with the Unico. Montego Bay, one of Jamaica's premier tourism corridors, is undergoing a transformative wave of investment, led in part by the entry of RCD Hotel Group, a major Mexican hospitality company. At the heart of this investment are 2 highly anticipated resorts, Unico Hotel Montego Bay and the forthcoming Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Montego Bay. These projects represent a combined investment of over US $1 billion and signal not only a boost to Jamaica's luxury tourism offerings, but also a shift towards socially responsible development, job creation, and infrastructural growth. Unico Montego Bay is the first international expansion of the renowned Unico brand, which debuted successfully in Mexico. The hotel is named, its location is Rose Hall, Montego Bay, and its investment is $250 million US. It will have 451 rooms, and it will be an adult-only luxury all-inclusive resort. Construction began in late 2022 and opening expected by 2025. Unico Montego Bay will offer a boutique-style luxury experience infused with Jamaican culture, art, and cuisine. Guests can expect locally inspired design, curated excursions, and immersive dining, moving away from the standardized cookie-cutter all-inclusive model. The hotel also aligns with Jamaica's tourism ministry goal to increase high-value, low-density accommodations that attract discerning global travelers. With this project, what sets this project apart is its commitment to workforce housing. RCD Hotels has committed to building 1,000 staff accommodation units to ensure that employees have safe, affordable, and nearby living conditions, an unprecedented move in Jamaica's hotel sector and a key example of socially responsible tourism development. Adjacent to the Unico site, RCD Hotels is preparing to break ground on the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Montego Bay, a flagship Caribbean resort that aims to blend music, luxury, and nightlife into a single high-energy destination. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.